Good morning children. Today I am teaching about some electrical components and their uses and the symbol of their electrical components. The first one, resistor. Okay, the resistor, what is the uses of resistor? Used to fix the magnitude of the current through a current. Okay, so suppose you have to make some electrical circuit, you should join into the resistor to the circuit. What is the uses of resistor to that particular circuit means to apply the particular current through the circuit. Okay, so it is a help for that particular resistor. So this is not a variable value, the resistor is a fixed value. Symbol of resistor, this is the symbol of resistor. Then second one, rheostat or variable resistor. The first one, fixed resistor, it is not changing that value. Rheostat means used to select the magnitude of the current through a circuit, in which amount of current you have to passing through the particular circuit. So sometimes that times uses for the rheostat. Okay, it is uses the values. Suppose what is the unit of resistor? Ohm. Okay, 1 ohm, 2 ohm. Ohm is a unit of resistor. Suppose 2 ampere current will be passes through the particular circuit. The rheostat will be helped to changing the value 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm. Okay, you have to changing the how much amount of current you have to through a particular circuit. That time you have to use for rheostat. This is the symbol of rheostat. The arrow mark represents the variable value, denotes the variable value. Third one, ammeter. So ammeter is used to measure the value of current. Suppose you have to make some particular electrical circuit, and that electrical circuit, how much amount of current you should passes through a particular circuit. That time you have to use for ammeter. What is the unit of current? Ampere is the unit of current. So used to do ammeter, how much amount of current will be passes through a particular circuit. Suppose you have to use this for ammeter, the current will be flowing for 1 ohm, 2 ohm or 1 ampere, 2 ampere or 3 ampere. Okay, you should fix the value for ammeter. Uses ammeter apparatus. This is the symbol of ammeter. Okay, so next one, voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference of the particular circuit. You have to use this for electrical circuit, the how much amount of potential voltage is required to work on the particular apparatus or particular equipment. So suppose for you have to make a one of the television. Okay, television, you should make a television, how much amount of voltage is required to working on the television or refrigerator. So you have to measure for voltmeter, then how much amount of potential difference is passes through the refrigerator or your other equipments. This is the symbol of voltmeter. The next one, galvanometer. Galvanometer is used to indicate the direction of current. Suppose you should make measure your current, it is used to ammeter and indicate the direction of current. You should measure the direction of current, in which direction the current will be flowing through the particular electrical circuit means you should use this for galvanometer. This is the galvanometer symbol. Okay, this is very important, the symbol of the variable electrical components. The next one, a diode. Diode is a integrated circuit. You should make a integrated apparatus using for diode. So first one, integrated circuit means the IC chip. This IC chip is seen for the television. Inside the televisions, the number of IC chips will be available there. Each IC chips or integrated circuit is make up for a particular number. So particular programming are inside the integrated circuit. This is for symbol of integrated circuit. Symbol of diode, plus symbol for anode, minus symbol for cathode. The arrow mark represent for anode, positive symbol, and the line represented for cathode, negative symbol. The next one, LED. LED is represent for light emitting diode. So LED is the abbreviation of light emitting diode. The light emitting diode is more powerful than the other lights and low cost to prepare a LED bulbs. Okay, other bulbs having largest amount of current will be used there, but LED you have to use for that house home electrical circuits. It has to provide the greater powerful and will be used for low amount of current. Okay, this is for symbol of LED. So this symbol is anode, this minus symbol is cathode. Next one, ground connection. Ground connection. What is the uses of ground connection? It is used to provide the protection to the electrical component. Okay, suppose for higher amount of potential voltage is applied passes through the particular electrical circuit, that time the ground connection is used to provide the protection of electrical component. So avoid earthing or avoid shocking, you have to use the ground connection to protect the particular electrical component. This is for symbol of ground connection. Students, once again I remember you, what are the components you have to saw here: resistor, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer, diode, LED and ground connection. This is very important questions. Sometimes one mark questions or 2 mark questions given to the question paper. Okay, so very important uses and their symbol. First, resistor. Resistor is a fixed value to measure the how much amount of current through the circuit. So it is a fixed value resistor. It is not a changing quantity. Rheostat is a changing quantity, in which amount of current will be through the particular electrical circuit. You have to use it for rheostat. 1 ohm, 2 ohm or 3 ohm is a variable value. Ohm is a unit of resistance. Third one, ammeter. Ammeter is measure the current. Okay, the how much amount of current you have to apply to the particular electrical circuit. So you have to using for that component ammeter. This is for symbol of ammeter. And voltmeter, you have to measure the potential difference. Galvanometer is indicate the direction of current, left or right, or what is the direction of current you have to measure using the galvanometer component. It is a symbol of galvanometer. Diode is a integrated circuit. This is for symbol anode and cathode. The two ends are there in the integrated circuit. LED is a light emitting diode. This is the symbol of LED. It is very important. It is more powerful and low cost. Okay, sometimes the advantages of LED questions is given through a question paper. 2 marks or 4 mark questions is available. The next one, ground connection. The lastly, ground connection. Suppose higher voltage is applied to the electrical components, refrigerator or TV, at that time the ground connection used to protect the particular electrical component, to avoid the earthing conditions, to avoid damage your electrical components. So you have to use it for ground connection. Okay, this is for symbol of ground connection. Thank you, students.